welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Farmers face hard times with no rainfall in state. Fear of major crisis. Goa stands at 56% short of monsoon. 12th instance in past 113 years, Prudent reports. Goa to fully support centre to set up IIT in Goa. No reservations for Goans in IIT. CM Parrikar makes it clear. Meets Union HRD Minister at IIT Directors Conclave. Goans to face tariff hike for water consumption above prescribed limits. Chief Minister says commercial rates for those who waste. Proposal awaits cabinet approval. Mining will resume by September. Reiterates Chief Minister mining policy by July-August, not in June. Government expects global proposal for Mopa Airport by July. And Brazil barely survives beating Chile 3-2 in penalty shootout. Colombia enters World Cup quarterfinals. Beat Uruguay, Colombia to face Brazil in quarterfinals. Now the news in details. Farmers are facing hard times with dry monsoon in the state. Not only Goa but across the country the situation is same. The monsoon had initially arrived late and now suddenly it has gone off the scene. Farmers fear that if the situation continues, it would invite major crisis to horticulture and agricultural crops. Goa along with the Konkan region stands at 56% rainfall deficit this monsoon. IMD says this is 12th instance in past 113 years.
The delay and now sudden disappearance of rain has become a reason of concern, rather fear in minds of the farmers. With the arrival of rains, farmers had begun ploughing and some had begun cultivation. But now all their efforts are certain to go in vain with no rainfall.
मशीन आवडली घातलेली आपण ट्रॅक्टर आवडले मशीन घातलेले आपण ही धाकटी मशीन चालना यायचे ते सुकले शेतात सुकली सामकी
आता 15 दिवस पाऊस ना आता पुढे ते पाऊस पडा ना जरा शेतात सगळे शेताची वाढ लागतली आता ओपला ते सगळे करपला सगळे ते मुद्दाम सगळे करपलेले असा.
Some of the farmers have sown the seeds, but the seedlings will not survive.
अरे पारी येतात एक आणि दोन आहे ना ऑर्डर 5 मात्र पारी येतात एक सणी येतात आणि एकट्याकडे ते पाऊस जायनात ते फुड्यान वता सुद्धा ते पारी आला ना. आम्ही हांगा नांगरून बिरून ठेवले आसा म्हटल्यार काय उपयोग ना पारी बिरी रेडी जाल्या हांगासर खावपाक आमचे हे ओपले जाल्यार काय फायदो ना पावस ना जाल्यार.
Farmers have now set their eyes to the sky, awaiting the dark clouds. After all, it's question of their bread and butter.
आता 8 दीस जर असो पावस जर तापाल जाल्यार अभ्यास अर्धे बी वयर येतले अर्धे भितर उरतले. पावस जावो पावस आसल्यारूच बी वयर येतले अशें पावसाक लागून केन्नाच आमकां धांदल जायनासली. अंदूच्याच वर्सा हे आतां आमकां पावस ना आनी अशें ताप पडले. आतां हें पळय सगळें उदीक शेत म्हाजें सगळें सुकलेलें आसा कांयच उदीक थेंब बसून ना.
Some farmers are yet to begin cultivation. Some have started, but are left worrying as the rain has ditched them at the crucial moment.
आता रोयल्या सांजे मेले आता कितें सांगोया मेले जाल्यार आनी खंयची पीक मेवतली ती शेतां पळय लोक रोयना तो चड बरी हा सुसेगाद इकते हाडून जेयता ते.
वत पडले म्हणून शेतां आमी रोमता पळय ती बागोवता एक वीक जालो की ना शेत बागोवंक कमी जाता पावस ना जाल्यार. पावस आमकां जावो म्हाजें शेत बुडल्यार पासून पावस आमकां जावो तेन्नाच म्हाका पीक जातली. ह्या वर्सा खूब पावसाचे आमकां प्रॉब्लेम जालेले आसा तेन्ना मागता देवा लागीं पावस दिवचो आनी आमची पीक बरी जावची.
We spoke with the Agriculture Director P. Tufani. He said, Irrigation Department to release water from canal and pump water. Release as per farmers' demand. Have close watch on farmers' situation. This is the 12th instance in last 113 years. National cumulative average of rainfall in June is deficient by a whooping 42%, whereas Konkan and Goa at present stands 56% short of monsoon rain. Met Department says rainfall is expected in state by first week of July. Till then, only worries will accompany the farmers. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Centre will get all the support from Goa to set up IIT-like institutes in Goa. Chief Minister Parrikar spoke to media after meeting the Union HRD Minister Smriti Irani on Sunday. Smriti was in Goa to attend the IIT Directors' Retreat at International Centre in Donapaula. Parrikar, however, made it clear that there cannot be any reservation for Goans in the IIT. However, Smriti avoided facing Goan media.
HRD Minister Smriti Irani was in Goa to attend the IIT Directors' Retreat at Donapaul. CM Parrikar in his brief meet discussed Goa-related issues with the Union HRD Minister. Parents of students from Navodaya Vidyalaya Valpoi petitioned Smriti Irani in presence of CM Parrikar. The building of Navodaya Vidyalaya is in bad shape.
IIT in Goa, we will support them by land. The rest is central. Basic problem is not land or why IIT. Some people put it to direct equation of how many students of Goa will go inside. Maybe it will go from 10 to 20, not more than that. It can't increase because it's all India institution. But the synergy created and the linkage we can have, advantage we can have for Goa Engineering College, other engineering studies is immense.
Parrikar said Goan students will benefit from the IIT and other central technical institutes. However, made it clear that there cannot be any reservation for Goans in the IIT.
IITs is not possible. Indian hotel is a different issue and IIT is a different issue. NIT is a different issue and IIT is a different issue. IIT is a common entrance across country, so there can be no reservation. Whenever an institution is created, initially it is always like that. It takes years for the institution to study, but that doesn't mean you don't start with new.
However, with the HRD ministry already facing Delhi University admission row, Smriti Irani sternly refused to interact with the media. Reporter Mahesh Kadi with video journalist Tulsida Chari for Prudent.
Now, Goans have to keep a close watch on water usage. If used or wasted beyond limit, consumers will be charged commercial rates. Government's new proposal says if water is consumed above 20 cubic meter, then it would be charged at commercial rates. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar says it, if households uses more than 50 cubic meter water, then consumers will be charged 10 rupees per each cubic meter. Here is a report.
Parrikar chose GSIA's annual day to speak about water tariff. Some of the industrialists had raised an issue of industrial estates not getting required water supply. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar says as households waste water for other supply falls short, government will now fix the tariff as per the consumption limit.
We have provided all the raw water, double the quantity, tari pavana. ताजी एक कारण अशा की ₹2.50 नळाच्या उदकान गाडी धुवपाक सवाय पडटा. त्यामुळे आता आम्ही असो निर्णय घेतला, फायनल अजून जावन ना. आयडिया हांव आयल्या ती सांगता. पहिले 20 क्युबिक मीटर फुकट दिवपाचे, ₹20 कितें तरी चार्ज करपाचे. मागीर एकदम ₹6 ₹7 कॉस्ट, ₹10 पडटा गव्हर्मेंटाक. 20 क्युबिक मिटरा नंतर फुडले 50 पर्यंत ₹7 बी लावपाचे, 50च्या वयल्याक ₹10 लावपाचे. म्हणजे तुमकां घराक जे उदक जाय पिवपाक न्हावपाक ते उदक तुमकां जवळ जवळ फुकट मेळटलें. ताज्या पलीकडे जे उदक तुमी घेतले ताका तुमकां कमर्शियल रेट दिवचो पडटलो. त्यामुळे माडाक नळ सोडप, गाडयो धुवप हे मातशें इल्लें कमी जावंक जाय. म्हणून तुमकां उदक प्रॉब्लेम जाता. अदरवायज हांव इन्क्रीज इट बाय मोर दॅन डबल. पॉप्युलेशन हॅज नॉट इन्क्रीज बाय डबल. हे एकदा चालू जालो की ना रूल नवो, you will find that 300 goes back to 1000. You will have enough water.
PWD Minister Sudhin Dhawlikar has also confirmed that the proposal of new water tariff is ready. It will be soon forwarded to the government for an approval. Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
A live crude bomb kills a dog at Kasarwada in Bicholim. Bomb disposal squad inspects the blast scene. A girl escapes unhurt. Police are investigating into the case. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.